The streets and alleys in Africa are all motorcycles, which is the only tool for many people to make a living. But the reality is cruel. The exhaust gas is pungent all over the street, and the oil price continues to rise. More than half of the money earned by motorcycle drivers has to be used for refueling, and the income is constantly squeezed. Exhaust pollution makes the living environment worse and the air turbid, which is also a problem that we have been paying attention to. Kenya launched the African Green Tree Project on July 9th and comprehensively promoted the replacement of fuel motorcycles with electric motorcycles. This policy call is to solve the problem of difficult travel and money making for drivers, and at the same time to improve the local air quality. We also hope to use this policy to solve the practical problems for the local area. At present, the international oil price is skyrocketing, and the daily refueling cost of fuel motorcycles is extremely high. Drivers may not earn enough money to refuel after working hard for a day. The original tool of making a living has now become a heavy burden. The data shows that the ordinary fuel motorcycle emits nearly 6 kg carbon dioxide per 100 kilometers, and carbon monoxide is nearly 80 times that of electric motorcycles. Nitrogen oxides and hydrocarbon also far exceed electric motorcycles. Exhaust pollution not only affects human health, but also increases the frequency of extreme weather and affects everyone's life. Changing electric motorcycles is the most direct way to solve these problems. This electric motorcycle supports fast battery swapping, does not need for charging for a long time, and has a range of 140 kilometers, which can meet the daily needs of carrying passengers and transporting goods. The most important thing is that the use cost is 70% lower than that of fuel motorcycle, which can directly improve the driver's income, completely eliminate the direct exhaust, greatly reduce all kinds of pollutants, and reduce respiratory discomfort. Extreme weather can also be alleviated to some extent, which is also the goal. We have been working hard to protect the local ecology and the health of residents. For motorcycle drivers, changing electric motorcycles increase income and reduce cost. For local distributors, this is a good business opportunity to comply with policy and market trends. There are still tens of millions of fuel motorcycles waiting to be replaced in Africa, and the market demand is huge, which can not only solve the pain points of people's livelihood, but also create development opportunities. Comment on Africa to join us in popularizing electric motorcycles to effectively solve the local people's livelihood and environmental pain points.